Hi, I'm Ashley from nerDigital. In this video, we're going to show you how to create an Instagram bot in nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. Before we start, please make sure that you have already connected your Instagram to nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. If you want to learn how to do that, please watch our video tutorial about that. Alright, to get started, navigate to Flows. Add a flow. Choose Instagram as the message type. Once you're done with your flow, click Publish. Now let's connect the flow to a keyword. Navigate to Automated Response. Create an expression. Connect it to the flow you created. Then click Save. Now it is time to test. There you have it. We just created a simple Instagram bot. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure to press the bell icon to get notifications when we upload a new video.